Peoples are so disgusting. This is one of the examples of the humankind whose animal cruelty you can see right there. Now this guy,
Fuck off.
he brings a worm and boils the tea and keeps the tea on top of this poor worm. He's already dead by now. You can see how he smashed this poor worm, and this guy still laughing there.
Fuck you.
Watching that worm
Fuck you.
die. That is so bad. That is so mean. Guys, we should be together and kill this guy. So there's no animal cruelty in this world again. Should live together peacefully. Look at this poor guy. Oh my gosh. This is so sad.